welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden. Today what I have for you is a craft from BB Craft. It's a tutorial using an item that I received, and I did an unboxing or review of a few different items from BB Craft. And if you didn't see that, I will link it at the end screen as well as below in the description box. Along with, I will also link the product that I am doing a jewelry tutorial on today, as well as I will link any of the other tutorials using some of those products in the unboxing review from BB Craft also below. So when you're done watching this video, you definitely want to go below in the description box under this video. But also I'm going to put the 10% discount code as well in the description box. So you really want to make sure you do that. So let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so what this is some beautiful pendants, and they are using gemstones. So now if you want to know all about it, I go through all about it in my unboxing review, so I won't do that today. If you want to know all about it, go ahead and watch that video of the unboxing and review. What I'm going to show you is what you can create using these items. So it comes in a nice plastic container, and I love reusing those when I'm done. And you have different ones. Now this may look the same, but they're two different gemstones. Now you can't really make earrings out of these as they're all different. You might be able to with these, even though they're different type of gemstones. One's brighter, one's a quartz crystal, and one's, I think, a white jade. I'm not sure. You have to look at the unboxing review video. And they have all kinds of gemstones here. And these really make great pendants, but it doesn't matter, because even if you made earrings and they have similar look, or if they're different colored, it still looks, these still match with the cone filigree, and you could do that as well. But these are really for pendants. You can make a really nice necklace using all of them. It already comes with the loop at the end. Either add a jump ring or not. What you could do is, if you prefer a choker, what you would do is, okay, so this is what you could do. You could stick this on a choker. And if you didn't want that, you can make a beautiful chain with that as well. So, for instance, I took, this is a filigree pendant. This is the filigree cone with the gemstone. What I did with one of these was make, now I painted this obviously black, and I made a chain and used some filigree and made a Gothic kind of Victorian pendant. So just to give you an idea, you could do the same thing. Go ahead and hook this up, and it would look really pretty. And if you didn't want to do that, since these are gemstones, they make great pendulums. So if you don't know what a pendulum is, I'm going to show you one that I made. You typically make them about 8 inches long. You can make the chain any way and have some kind of end charm. You measure them out. So you would measure this, it's about 3 inches. And then you add the chain, okay? And then you could add some beads in the middle, and then an end tube. And this would make a really great pendulum. So that's just another idea that you can make with these. Also, granted, they do not match, but you could also make earrings. Just take your earring fish hooks, and it doesn't matter if they don't match. And I just wanted to show you some of the things you can do. And of course, stick it on a choker, whatever you prefer, a chain. But I love these. So here's something else you could do. Now, I made this chain using sequins and some die cut pieces. And now we want to hook one of these beautiful pieces to the end. Some sequins and just jump rings. But look how nice that is. And then you have this piece here. So it'll look really pretty hanging on your neck, and I'm going to show you what it looks like hanging on myself. So it's simple. It's very easy to make a chain just using some jump ring and sequins and maybe 2 die cut pieces. This is just glitter cardstock, and then you have an elegant, nice filigree with a gemstone. So we have also the pink one and the other white one. So really, you could pick any one you want and make your own chain. See how nice that is? Jewelry tutorial. It's very easy to make a multitude of different things using these pendants, and I really have fun playing with these, and I'm going to be making a bunch more different things that you probably see in my jewelry tutorials using these beautiful filigree and gemstone pendants. I love the way it looks with this chain. You can make any chain, whether it be beads or a mixture of filigree, die cuts, what have you. So I just wanted to give you some ideas. So again, check below in the description box for your 10% off discount code, as well as the link for these beautiful pendants and the link to my videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.